Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a full-on holiday-inspired meal in one shot in our Ninja Speedi coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Listen, guys, we got a nice one for you today. Real fun one, holiday-inspired one. We're gonna make a full-on meal, and we're gonna do it in the Ninja Speedi. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You gotta stick around, subscribe, all that good stuff you do on YouTube. Hit that thumbs up, comment. You know, we're gonna do these things. So on this one, we got some turkey tenderloins. We're gonna make a sausage stuffing, and then we got some asparagus going in. All right, this is gonna be some good stuff. I've already seasoned up the turkey tenderloins. I got a little poultry seasoning on there, a little salt and a little pepper, a little olive oil to keep it all on there, right? With the asparagus, we're just gonna put a little olive oil on top, little salt, little pepper, keep it simple, right? And then we're doing the stuffing mix in the bottom. So in the bottom of the pan of the Speedi, we got the sausage stuffing going in, and then we're gonna put that grill rack on top, get those turkey tenderloins on there, get the asparagus on there. 15 minutes later, we got ourselves a dish, right? It's good stuff, all right? So nothing left to do but get to it. I've kind of readjusted the kitchen for this video because I'm actually shooting this recipe for Ninja Kitchen themselves. So be on the lookout on Ninja's social medias for this recipe to be on there, but you're gonna have it first before anybody, all right? So it's lucky that you're subscribed to me and you watch me. You get this before they do. All right, the Speedi station has changed, so we'll get over there, get started. All right, stick around. All right, team, we have our Speedi on. We set it to the air fryer stovetop mode, sear saute, and we're heating it up on high. We're gonna start sauteing our vegetables and get our sausage browned up. So we threw some olive oil in there. We got a little celery, little diced onion. Grab a little pinch of salt in there. Going with some cracked black pepper. Give it a mix. I'm gonna let this saute for about 5 minutes until they soften up a little bit in there. We'll add the rest of our stuffing mix. All right, team, we put a half a pound of sausage in there. We're just gonna brown that through. It's looking good, smelling good. Let's keep working it. And guys, for ingredients and prep, it'll be listed down below in the video description. So hit show more, and I'll give you exact measurements to the recipe. This is looking good. All right, team, we turned off the saute mode in there. We added our herbs, we added our breadcrumbs, and we added our cranberries in there. Now it's time to add 2 cups of chicken stock. I'm gonna give it a mix. Get it nice and coated through. We want every bit of that bread to sop up that chicken stock. All right, we're going in with that grill plate. Got those feet out, ready to go. We're gonna add our asparagus in there. Get a little olive oil on those. A little salt. A little cracked black pepper. Time to get the tenderloins in there. Already nice and seasoned up. All right, so we shut the lid down, flip this rapid cooker up. Got it on rapid cooker, Speedi meals. We got 390 is the time. Go 15 minutes, hit start. Let's go. All right, team, we're giving this a good 15 minutes cook. As the overall cook, by about 10 minutes, we should be able to check the temperatures on those tenderloins. Should be about 165, thereabouts in there. We'll pull that top tray out and then give it that last 5 minutes to kind of crisp up that stuffing in there, or dressing if you will. We're not stuffing anything, I guess, except, you know, stuffing our faces. But so we're gonna crisp up that dressing in there too, okay? So this should all come together within about 15 minutes, but it's looking dang good. All right, come on back. All right, while we're waiting for our whole meal to cook, we're gonna do a little gravy on the side here. We got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. And then we got poultry seasoning, salt and pepper. Do it to taste. You're gonna mix all that up. Cooked out raw flour flavor out of there. Give it about a minute or 2 or 3, you know. Just when you stop kind of smelling that raw flour. Right, time to whisk in our chicken stock. And then just let that come together, thicken up, reduce, and make it a beautiful, easy gravy for our turkey tenderloins. And just like that, through the magic of television, we have a beautiful gravy. We're temping out at 165 in these turkey tenderloins. We're gonna go ahead and take them out. Our asparagus is looking nice. Take that out too. And we'll take this lid out. Give this a mix in here. Shut the lid, and then finish the timing, crisping up the top. The top of our stuffing or dressing got nice and golden brown. Let's go ahead and serve some up. Slice up that turkey tenderloin, and let's feast. You know, we gotta get a little gravy on it. All right, y'all, we are done with this one, guys. It smells so good in here. Now it's time to verify that it's good. And you know what it is? Oh, man. Way too good. That is holidays on the plate. Now, don't sleep on those little craisins. I know it looked a little weird going into that dressing, the stuffing, whatever you want to call it, but it adds that little pop of brightness in there. Kind of cuts through the heaviness of that dressing, okay? So don't sleep on it. Turned out amazing. I mean, 15 minutes, easy as can be. Even showed you a quick gravy to throw over the top. But if you cook those turkey tenderloins to that, 160, 165 in there, your bird will be juicy where you don't need the gravy, but it's so dang good, you want to throw some on there, okay? So it's up to you. Guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Speedies, I'll put a link down below to Ninja Kitchen. It's an affiliate link, but it helps out the channel. If you guys want to get anything in my videos, merch, knives, cutting boards, all that good stuff, links for all those are down below too. If you want to become a show producer like all these awesome holiday loving people that, don't mind a little craisins in their stuffing, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.